Hi traders, and in today's video I'm going to give you one quick tip on how you can actually pick out levels in advance, set up an alert, and then go about your business and do other things you might have to do without having to stare at the screen all day and watch the market get to the particular price you're looking for. So I'm going to use a chart to quickly show you a quick example of what I'm actually talking about. So I'm going to use the MT4 platform for this video because it's generally widely used by most Forex traders. So let's say, for example, as I record this video, it's the 3rd of July 2014 and NFP has just happened a couple of hours ago. So for example's sake, this is the Aussie dollar, and we can see that the Aussie dollar dropped quite vigorously, okay, due to the figure. And what we've seen after the initial drop down is a move back up towards this particular region. So let's say, for example, we missed the first move here. We weren't able to get filled on a particular trade as the NFP figure was released. I'm not going to tell you to wait around this whole time now. And this is a 15-minute chart, so it's been a couple of hours. I'm not going to tell you to wait around to get back to this region to actually take a particular trade again, another short. So what you can actually do is you can actually pick out a level. Let's use this for an example. So it's the 93.73.4 region on the chart, okay, 0.93734. so what you can actually do is you can say to yourself, okay, I'm going to set an alert, and all you have to do is you click on the terminal window, okay, and there's loads of different tabs here. You just click on alerts, you right click in the space and you click create, and what that's actually going to do for you is open a pop-up window for you where you can actually then say to yourself, okay, I want to have an alert sound, okay, and there's different things you can do for an action, and you can say to yourself, when price moves higher than the number we actually drew up here, that I want an alert to sound, and I want it to be every 10 seconds, every 30 seconds, and you can decide which you want to have it. So I'm going to set it for 10 seconds. You can actually even make it 1, 3, 5, how many times it's actually going to sound, and what you're going to see is you'll hear the test right now. So when you click OK, that's set in motion. Now all you have to do now is you can go about and do your business. You can either go and look at another chart if that's what you want to do and draw up another level somewhere else and set up other alerts. You can go and do something else. Maybe you need to go about your business in the house or wherever you are, and this allows you to pick out your levels in advance and then set up an alert, and then come back later on when the alert starts sounding to actually not miss anything. So right now, let's say I'm waiting for a particular short position, okay, I'm waiting for a particular region to get, for the price to get to, for me to then look for another short position. So instead of me waiting around for 2-3 hours for market to potentially get back here today, I can decide and say to myself, you know what, let me set an alert. I'm going to go and look at some other instruments that are potentially more enticing right now, or I'm going to go and do something else I need to do around the house or around the office. And if at any moment, okay, it actually shows itself to me or the opportunity comes, I'm going to get that alert as soon as the price goes higher than this region, and I'll know exactly what time it is, and I'll be ready to actually come back and execute a potential trade. So that's it. I used today's example of NFP, July 3rd 2014. This works all the time. If you're coming in early in the morning, or if you're coming in the afternoon or the night time, you can plot out these levels in advance, set an alert, and go about your business. You don't have to stare at the charts all day or all night or anything like that. You pick out your levels, you draw the lines on, you set an alert to sound at the particular time, and It's as simple as that. So thanks and take care for watching this video. I hope you start implementing this free and easy strategy as soon as possible if you aren't already. Thanks and take care.